I love using Febreze small spaces in my bathroom. You can just press the lever in the back and the scent will release. And it lasts a good 45 days in my bathroom. Hello, I'm Tammy, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been watching my moving series. This is actually vlog 2 of me cleaning my apartment. I'm sorry I don't have any music right now. I'm still trying to sort all that out. As a new content creator, you just have to be careful about the music you select and whatnot, but I'm working on it. I do have a nature channel. It's called Dedicated to Shirley, and that channel is dedicated to my mother. I do have some short content on there as well, but my long form content on that channel is mostly nature. So if you like nature, you can check it out. But this channel is about my journey in this apartment. I'll just be sharing my journey here and in midlife. I'm 53, and so I hope you join me over here. I'll be doing a lot of cleaning, a lot of cooking, a lot of decorating, and just sharing my creativity and how I decorate my space on a budget, how I cook my meals on a budget. It's just me. I live alone, so I just developed a lot of skills that help me navigate that, just having one income. So with that being said, I'll be quiet now, and I hope you just enjoy the channel, and I would love to have you here. And again, I'm just cleaning today and trying to get this apartment together. So I hope you watch all of the video, and I'm so thankful to have you here, and I'm so thankful for the subscribers that have subscribed to my channel from my moving series so far. So thank you very much, and enjoy the video.